Hello and welcome. In a few moments I'm going to meet up with my friends Mel and Donna, and we're going to go on a little micro adventure.
I went under a tree and I lost my sleeping bag.
I know.
Oh, there's Dad over there having a cup of tea, like
oh, you came through there,
and he came chasing me with my sleeping bag. Yeah. What have I got? I've got some butter. Listen, you laugh now, but
oh, you're going to be lovely and toasty.
in a minute you're going to be like, wow, that girl, she's so clever.
We have arrived.
Right, I'm just throwing all my clothes on the floor here because what I didn't think through was the order that I put everything in here. It's not the right order.
I think we're going to feed them.
What follows is how our weekend went. It wasn't perfect, but it was a lot of fun. In a few moments I'm going to meet up with my friends Mel and Donna, and we're going to go on a little micro adventure, and we're all going to try Bivying overnight. Now Mel and Donna have never bivvied before, so it's a complete new experience for them. Me, I've done it once and it was completely not successful. I didn't sleep a wink, but I was wild camping properly and trying to hide myself away on my own. Doing this in a group of 3 hopefully will be more successful, and to be fair, we're going to the pub to have dinner first, so yeah, I'm going to meet up with them in a minute.
And that's what I'm going to do in Celtic. All my sleep stuff's going to go in there because it was in my bar bag, but my bike was really front heavy.
Yeah.
So I'm putting my clothes and stuff in the front.
That
my
makes
sleep
sense.
stuff in the back.
Yeah.
And then I don't need to open that at all unless it's night time.
No.
So.
Saved by just got saved. That's very,
You see, I didn't need to bring the fold-up cup after all.
Well, I brought a flask that doubles as water or coffee.
I just came the wrong way out of the light line where it is. And I went under a tree and I lost my sleeping bag.
I know.
Oh, there's Dad over there having a cup of tea, like
Oh, you came through.
and he
You came
rescued
through there.
me, and he came chasing me with my sleeping bag. The camping in there, and then I've got all my travel essentials in here.
Yeah,
A selection of wetwear.
I didn't have room for wet wipes, so they didn't come this time.
Oh, I've got some.
I've
I'll
got anti-bag and I've got
Yeah, I'll sell
pound of wet wipes.
I'll sell you some hot water then, shall I?
yeah. What have I got? I've got some butter.
You reckon?
No more big up.
You reckon? It's not full, it turns out. It was lying. Hang on. Yes, we can. Our ride today starts in Hampshire and takes on the Mawonavelo Trail, which was an old railway line. I've spoken about this in another video, so I'm not going to talk about it too much today. But it's a lovely way to get right into the heart of the Mawonavelo Trail, or the Mawonavelo, sorry, but without any hills.
Not until the afternoon. So we should be, as long as we're out and we're packed up and what have you, I don't mind getting wet on the way back.
But we don't have to do the full route.
No, exactly. If it's really bad weather.
Get the train.
We're not getting the train. Unscheduled stop. Yeah, Mel's sleeping bag fell off the back, but it was miles and miles back, we worked out, so We've stopped to see if we can get something to sleep in. Otherwise, she'll have a bivy bag, no sleeping bag. We can't be having that. So, stop to see what we can get.
Allowed to be at the max. And we're going to call you Calamity Jane.
Calamity. There has to be a
Calamity.
There has to be something that rhymes with Mel or M. It's not monstrous Mel. It's monstrous Marcia.
Listen, you laugh now, but
Oh, you're going to be lovely and toasty.
in a minute you're going to be like, "Wow, that girl, she's so clever."
She's learning engineering today.
That clever. Oh no!
We have arrived. It's exciting.
Right, I'm just throwing all my clothes on the floor here because what I didn't think through was the order that I put everything in here. It's not the right order.
It's all a learning experience, isn't it?
You are really, really using this against me, Mrs. Listen, next time I will be slick. You'll be like, wow, that woman, she goes quick.
Yeah.
Once I stopped moving around all over the place.
Take some time.
I do like your fluffy blanket. So
To have a bit of luxury.
so why do you have a fluffy blanket?
Because I don't like sleeping. So I threw it away on the way. Got rid of it. Don't need that nonsense. Girl needs a bit of luxury. Alright, I dropped my sleeping. Could have happened to anybody.
It could have done. It's just a shame
me.
we've gone nearly 10 miles before we realised.
Always me.
We've arrived at Claremont Copse, I think it's called. Wild camping site. It's awesome. Here we go. Yeah. We haven't fallen out with each other. We've all managed to get our bivvies up. And where are we off to now, ladies? Pub!
I think we're going to feed them. But they love chips.
They're very fancy ones. There were some really ones with fluffy paws over there.
Fluffy paws.
Please.
She wanted to do another embarrassing film of Melanie eyeing up your ice cream. Which I am. Delicious.
Yum.
Carb loading.
This is the moment when we want to see whether we're going to get cold tonight.
Oh no, it's not going to rain till 7.
Home now, but we've had such a giggle. Even laughing and joking whilst we're in our bivy bags.